Welcome, friends. Welcome, YouTubers. Welcome to Life Arts Garden Projects. Do you remember 7 months ago I had planted a mango sapling in order to make a bonsai? And I just thought I'll give you an update. Today I took them up for wiring. I have used a wire here, see? And there's also a custard apple tree growing here in this spot all by itself. So you can see how after 7 months these saplings have grown, and this is another sapling that I had planted, and I have also done the wiring. You can see how they have grown. Now they have branched out, so you can see the branches. Yeah, so I expect it to grow very well. And that's the update after 7 months. I have also created a tiny nursery. You can see using small buckets. This is a lime tree. It's about 4 months old. And there are various tiny plants here. Another custard apple, and this is curry leaves. Another curry leaf, and that one is green chilies. Anyway, the idea here is to create as many bonsai trees as possible, and this is my experiment projects. So I'll keep giving you an updates on how my garden projects improve. Other than that, I have planted neem tree, which is that big. All those trees were planted by me. Also planted a neem tree here, but it's not growing. Maybe during rainy season it will grow very well. So the fertilizer I use here is I soak banana peel uh, in water for 3 days, and then on the third day I take the water only, and then I water them. So that's a good fertilizer. I also give eggshells, powdered eggshells, and ash sometimes to keep pest control. So friends, thank you for being with me, for subscribing to Life Art, and for being a part of garden projects. Have a great day.